Hello everyone. Today I am going to present to you on how to use the online lectures as one of our instructional materials. So what is an online lecture? So when we say an online lecture is in an educational class delivered over the internet. So it's either in real time, which is the synchronous, or it could be done through pre-recorded sessions, which is the asynchronous. So these is one of the key features of online lectures. So the synchronous and the asynchronous is the delivery format wherein the teachers can use that one during real time or pre-recorded sessions. We also have the content. So we teachers will be able to use this one through a recorded videos wherein the instructor sometimes call this one a talking head style.
I am teacher Ayan and I'm going to explain the science concept behind the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Have you ever wondered why ice is so hard? While water can flow like a river. Or why air can fill a balloon but you cannot hold it in your hands? The answer to these questions lie in the particle nature of matter.
Screen recordings. So, screen recordings itself could be the PowerPoint presentations that we have so that we can discuss the topic. Next is the multimedia content. We teachers can also include the quizzes and other simulations activity so that our students will be engaged. Next is we have the digital resources, which includes the ebooks and other articles. Then the advantages of using the online lectures is that the flexibility itself. So students can attend class from anywhere and watch lectures on their own time. Next is the accessibility. So recorded lectures can be rewind or replayed for the students if ever they want to rewatch this one again. Next is we have the enhanced content. So instructors can edit the recordings to improve the quality of their teachings to whatever important informations that you want to include on the topic. And lastly, we have the engagement of our students. So I hope you have learned something out from this video. Goodbye for now.